How to install Ford F150 wheel spacers correctly. A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your F150 is by installing the Ford wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effects. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS F2 cooling Ford F150 wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers is the F2 cooling feature. These Ford F150 wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. The BONOSS F150 wheel spacers are all forged. In addition, high-precision Ford F150 wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installation experience. Install the rim and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the Ford F150 wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. After installing the wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fenders.